Hey everybody, it is Big Mike, aka the Computer Dad, and today we are doing an unboxing video on the Rayban Wayfarer Meta glasses. Ka-chow. Hey Meta, Merry Christmas, baby. Shout out to Xander and Mason over at RoboPack, who I met at the Workplace Ninjas US conference down in Dallas, Texas. They put my name in a raffle and I got hooked up with and won these Meta glasses from Rayban, the Wayfarer Gen 2. I'm not a big sunglass person. I'm not usually a big wearable tech. I have an Apple Watch, I have AirPods, but those serve functional purposes to me. I wasn't going to get into the eyeglass space, but because I won them, I'm doing an unboxing video. And let me just say, this is a really nice presentation out of the box. Nice leather case, solid glasses, nice. It has all the instruction stuff. I'm going to pull all that stuff out. It's the usual fare that you get. You get your getting started, your QR code scanner, your warranty information, all of that. But I want to focus on the quality of the sunglass case. It's a nice, substantial leather case. Feels great, has some weight to it. Doesn't feel like it's going to tear apart on you. And it has an LED indicator on the front. It has a USB-C port on the bottom. And it also has the Bluetooth pairing port or button on the rear. And the way it charges is by the nose port. It plugs in here and you can see where it mounts inside the sunglass case. And they also have like external ones that you can buy to charge these things. But it's a handsome case. It's a good looking case. And these glasses, I thought, sometimes I have sunglasses and I got a big head. So I constantly get cheap sunglasses because it's just easier that way. These are substantial. These feel like they have some weight to them. They don't feel like they're going to break with usage. And it's just a nice setup. The pairing process, setting up the app and doing all of that was very quick and simple. I didn't expect anything less. And it gives you a full tutorial on how to use the glasses, the button indicators, the touchpad, the slide indicators, everything that you're going to need to get generally familiar with the glasses is all there. And then I just did a quick recording after the unboxing of me wearing the glasses, that first person view that's going to be so valuable to me as I do more tech content. So I look forward to that. I had a great time with, don't mind that USB cable going across. But yeah, I don't mind the hair either. But had a great time recording this and look forward to doing a ton more content with it. And again, I wanted to shout out Xander and Mason over at RoboPack. These glasses are awesome. Like I said, I'm excited to make content with it. The advantage for me is I'm constantly trying to find ways to show the user experience of what I'm doing. I work a lot with endpoints or user experience in virtual desktop environments. Even on the networking stuff I do, if I'm going into a job and I'm trying to show what it's like navigating all of the cable spaghetti that one might encounter in a network room. All kinds of things that I can now record with this in those spaces in my home lab as I test things out here at my base station, if you will. This gives me the opportunity to do that in a great way. It's 3K camera. It has the binocular view, so there's cameras on both sides. I can take quick pictures with it. I can do long recordings with it. It records audio, so I can even talk through the tutorials if I didn't want to use my mic, or I couldn't. If I don't have, I don't have a lapel mic or anything like that yet. So this gives me an opportunity to do that type of recording. So again, I'm really excited to use these. These are very simple to set up, and you may notice from the beginning of the video that something's missing. I didn't get the Wayfarers that have the translation lenses, and that's not a problem because these pop out pretty quickly. So these were pretty easy to pop out if I wanted to just use them, without any lenses. But I do plan to get the transition ones because they are good sunglasses, and I liked that experience. So I'm planning to use them a ton. I look forward to doing more 2026 content, especially with the endpoint stuff that I plan on doing, the Intune content I plan on building. All of that will be done, hopefully, recording with these if my toddlers don't get a hold of them first. I got to keep them locked up. Not the toddlers, my glasses. But all that said, this is going to be my last video for 2025. I'm going to take some time off, enjoy my family, enjoy the holiday. But if you're watching, to you and yours, happy holidays, happy new year. We'll see you in 2026 with some new Intune content, some new networking content, all the above. Hopefully you'll follow along. And as always, if you subscribe, you're awesome. If you offer feedback, you're awesome. I appreciate anything to help advance what I'm trying to do here, having fun, recording tech content. We'll see you in 2026.